to part 2 of our living room makeover.
Okay guys, we got our recess lighting up and now we're here to tape and compound all of our edges. And you wonder why?
Oh my God! It's time to paint. Woo. I'm excited, guys. We're gonna paint the roof. Why are you removing all the lights, sir?
We're removing all the lights, ma'am, because it's a lot easier to roll the ceiling. You don't have to worry about cutting around them.
Ooh, I like that, baby. I like it.
Yeah, you like that, ma'am?
Should they still be on though?
Doesn't matter.
Oh my God.
They're not touching the ceiling, so I'm just gonna leave them on.
Just turn off the lights.
I ain't worried about it. I'm doing what I want to do.
He's leaving the lights because he needs to see. Because if the lights go off, baby, turn off the lights.
Okay. What?
So I wanted to cut in because I feel like I'm better than my husband. I just feel like I personally I take my time, right? And I feel like women are more, we're just more thorough. So I know I could do it better.
Right,
but he
nice
wants to cut in. He said I am not better. Why are you coming out the frame?
Nice try.
You see how fast my husband went from cutting into rolling. That's because he knows I'm better.
Please, your dinosaur arms couldn't handle the rolling, that's why.
All right, guys, we were hoping to be able to do 2 coats today, but unfortunately that's just not gonna happen because we ran out of ceiling paint and the store's closed now.
Okay guys, we got the first coat of paint on last night. Second final coat is going on this morning. But before we do that, tell them, Justin, what we're gonna do.
Okay, so we're going to start unscrewing all the old window trims and start putting new ones.
And then we're going to paint this whole roof and wall!
Let's go.
Look at this, you guys. You guys think this is good? Old paint? Old wood? No, we need to fix this now. I need to call Greg right now. Greg!
Let's install some trim.
Woo!
My daughter peed on my bed just now. Yeah. I'm back. Caulk all the joints. Get them all prepped. we did all the prep work, we caulked, we vacuumed. Now it's time to paint the trim. Like that? Tell Justin. He's on this.
Thank you.
Beautiful wife right there on the accent wall founder. Baby, so we gotta refinish the floors here, but before we do that, tell me what we're gonna do.
So we still gotta go into the dining room. As you guys saw in the last video, both rooms are attached.
Yes.
So unfortunately, before we start doing any decorating or anything like that, we gotta finish that room. The wall, or not the wall, the ceiling is just as bad as the ceiling that was here previously. So we gotta do that ceiling, and then hopefully then we can start working on refinishing these floors.
Yes, we're gonna get these done.
So guys, you guys know that movie, the one with the remote, babe, what is it called?
Click.
Yes, I need a remote so I can put them on mute.
Oh, please. She can talk. She can talk.
No, for me it would be the volume. For you it would be the mute button.
Anyways, we're so happy that you guys are supporting us. We reached over 100 subscribers.
Yay!
Thank you so much. And keep staying tuned. We got a lot more content for you.
All right, guys, to the next video.
Bye.
Bye.